In 2026, you don't need an Alipay account at all. Listen to me, people. You don't need an Alipay account for you to import goods from China. You don't need an Alipay account at all. So please stop stressing about Alipay account. With your bank card, you can currently make payments smoothly on 1688 app. If you don't know how to do it, Oni is here to teach you. But this is me saying it and saying it again. You don't need Alipay account. So if you don't have a verified Alipay account, or your Alipay was verified before and all of a sudden it's no longer verified, please don't stress yourself at all. You don't need an Alipay account. 1688 has made their platform so foreigners friendly, so friendly for even newbies. So if you want to go into importation in 2026, trust me, you are in luck. Trust me, guys, you are in luck. When it comes to payment, you don't have anything to stress about, but of course you need to know how to go about it, because if you don't do it the right way, your card will continuously get banned. Do you understand? They will continuously restrict your card one after the other if you do it without knowing the right way. So you need to understand how to add your card the right way so that you don't get restricted at all. Some persons are saying, only my card is not working. Come on, card is working. Your card will work if you do it the right way. It is that easy. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys few things so you can understand what I'm saying. Now this is my 1688 app. Can you see it now? Let's just click on any random product and say we want to place order for that product. Let me show you this option you need to see, right? So this is a bag. Every time I'm always buying bags, right? So you know I sell bags, so I'm just, when you come onto my page, you will definitely see loads of bags. So this is a bag, and I'm just going to click on buy now. Once I click on buy now, I'll just pick, minimum here is 30. This is a manufacturer, right? Let me just add 30. I don't want to waste time here. Let me add 30 pieces of this bag, and then I'll click on that orange bag, which is buy now, right? Now once you click on it, it will bring you to this your order confirmation page, where you need to see a summary of what you're buying. You need to add your shipping company, warehouse address, and then you see your total plus the local shipping fee. Everything we are paying for this bag is 1,432 yuan. So after checking out all of this, and if everything is okay by you, you click on submit. You can see that on this interface, more of the write-ups, they are in English. I said it before and I'm saying it again. 1688 is becoming so beginners friendly. I mean, it is so easy currently to make use of 1688. So once you click on submit, now you can see the summary of what we are buying. On this page, you just need to add your shipping company, warehouse address. You will see the summary of everything you're paying for the bag or the item, and then the local shipping. Everything summing up here is 1,429, right? So if you're okay with it, you click on pay now. Now once you click on pay now, this is where you will see the different payment options available. The different payment option, guys. 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5, 7 years ago, the only payment option available here is Chinese bank transfer and Alipay. And the one that was, more convenient for foreigners then was Alipay. Everybody was using Alipay. But currently, you can see more than 4, almost 4 different payment options, and all of them foreigners can make use of it. Okay, maybe minus the first one, right, which is buy now pay later, but the remaining 4, 1, 2, 3, the remaining 3 foreigners can make use of it to make payments. So there are a lot of payment options currently on 1688, and one of them is for you to pay with your card. You can see where it's written dollar or USD card. As you can see, my card is added. A Visa card is on there, added, which I'm using to purchase stuff on 1688. You can use your World First account. I have people that are making use of World First account. You can use your Alipay if you have your Alipay, but we are talking about for those that don't have Alipay. Please, you can make use of your card. You just need to know how to add that your local card. You don't add the local card on this interface. This is not where you come to add your local card. There's an interface where you go and add your local card before you can use it to make payments. Guys, it is easy. You don't need Alipay account. If you're in Nigeria, you can make use of your Naira card. I taught my students in my last training, and most of them, they've successfully made their purchase. They are using it to buy stuff. They are using their Naira card to buy stuff on 1688, and it is so seamless. You can do that. If you want to learn, I have a course, right? This is me telling you can do it on your own. But if you want somebody that will put you through extra, you can pay 15,000 naira for the course. The course is available. I send you that course, you watch through it, learn the process, start making your payments yourself. Start making your payments yourself. You don't need any agent at this point. In fact, for my students, I no more do procurements. Most of them, they send me procurement link. I tell them, no, Onyi doesn't do procurement. Go and use your card. I will show you how to do it. I show them how to do it. They go ahead and do it. I don't do procurement again. So it is you saving money. You're saving your money. You know that hundreds of thousands you're paying procurement agent, save it. In fact, the rate is so good. My students that are using it, they've been thanking me because the rate is so good. It is so good. So if you want to learn how to do it, my WhatsApp is on the screen. It is 15,000 naira, guys. You can use your card, your Naira card, to make payments currently on 1688. Don't snooze on this. Hop on it right now and gain all you need to gain. That's what this video is all about. But you can do it yourself if you don't need. Some person will be like, oh, you must repay. Yeah, this is knowledge. Value what you're getting. But if you don't want to pay, or you don't have the money to pay, you can do it yourself on here. Okay, I've just showed you the process. Hope you found this video helpful. I love you.